Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to roll back a package version by using Yum in CentOS 7. But first let me tell you, if this is your first time in this channel, I'll invite you to take a look at the playlist where you will find a lot of free tutorials for different tools and technologies like AWS, Docker, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible and more. Okay, today I'm going to use Trivi, which is, if you don't know what Trivi is a very helpful tool in the security perspective to scan file systems and Docker images looking for vulnerabilities or CVEs. Uh, as I mentioned, if you want to know more about this, you can take a look at the playlist where I have a lot of videos about this and other security topics. Okay, let me show you what version do I have at the moment for this package, which is the 28.1, 0.28.1. And if I do the Zoom info trivia, it will list if there is any available update for this package. And as you can see, I have the 0.29 version available. So let me update it. Okay. It will take a few moments to be completed. Okay, as you can see, here is the 0.29.0 version. If I do this again, 3b-b, this is the recently installed package in my system. But what happens if the new version has bugs, has very critical issues that is not allow me to continue my regular process in my environment? So I need to roll back to the previous or the working version that I have before. And for that, I'm going to use the option history for the Yum command history. Okay, here the Zoom history, it will list all the transactions that I have for my system, and the 75 is the latest, so I'm going to check more details about that. Zoom history info 75, and here it will describe the details for this transaction, the dates and what it was installed or updated. As you can see here, Trivi, the previous version was the 28 and the newer version is the 29. So this is the transaction that will hold the upgrade for this package. Then what happens if I need to do a rollback? So I'm going to use the jump history undo and the transaction number as well. And for that, it will remove the current version, which is the 29, and it will install the previous one, the working one. Okay, it just finished. Let's confirm that the version 28 is in place. And yes, as you can see here, the rollback was completed successfully by using Zoom history command. And this is how you can do a rollback safely without downloading the source or downloading the RPM file. Zoom is very helpful and flexible for these cases. So this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.